Welcome to the video on removing a background in Canva. So we're going to open up a new design. Let's go with an Instagram post for now. So this has got easier over the years. I'm just going to pick up a graphic out of here. I'm just going to use this guy with the football. So up here at the top, you've got background remover. It's only available on the Pro version, so you'll need a subscription to Canva to be able to do this. It's as simple as just clicking that. You can see he's there with the background cut out. Just do it again with this. So it's just as easy as clicking that. You don't have to go round or use a cutting tool or anything like that. You just bring in an image, background remover. Even on the videos, you can do it as well. And you can remove it from the video. You can put your own background, whatever you want to do, in the back there. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel as we'll be making more videos.